Today we're going to talk about how to make coffee using a French press, specifically the Mira 3-cup double wall stainless steel coffee press, which you can see the box for right there and the actual model of it here. Sorry for the reflections in it. You can see it's well made, sturdily built. It's got a nice handle. It's heavy. You can hear the weight of it, and it's well insulated. And here is the press part of it, which has also a nice stainless mesh. It's really well made. I think that if you're looking for a new coffee press, this is a good one. We call this the 3-cup size. It's about 12 ounces. Keep a medium ground coffee. Freshly grind it for the best results. And keep in mind that if you grind too fine, you're going to get a bitter taste, and if you're too coarse, you're not going to get it as strong. So work with your grinder to see what's the best one for you. And 3 tablespoons, depending on how you like it, for each 6 ounces that you're going to put in the press. Now, I have instant hot water, which is really helpful, but for today we're going to boil a pot, so we're going to do that, and while we wait, I will turn this off. Okay, so I've got a nice boiling pot. I'm going to use that water. First, we're going to heat our press, and we're going to heat our cup. And while we let that sit for a little while, this also brings the water in the kettle down to a little bit of a better temperature. So as that's warmed now, I'm going to take the press, empty it, dry it out, and get ready to start making coffee. To make it easier, I pre-measured everything. So after preheating, you dump the water out, you dry it out, and you put your coffee in. And then what you're going to do is take just enough hot water and cover the coffee. Okay, so you're going to have like sort of just a little bit of sludge there in the bottom. Okay, so then you stir that up. We're going to just put the cover loosely on the top, and we're going to let that sit for about 30 seconds or so. Okay, that's had a little time to sit. We're going to now fill the press the rest of the way. There we go. And now we're going to put the cover on the top, but not the plunger, just the cover. Okay? And we're going to let that sit for about 3 minutes. Okay, so our coffee has had about 3 minutes. Most people like 3 to 5 minutes to brew. Now we're going to take the plunger and we're going to push down. Now you will feel a slight resistance when you push it down. It should go pretty slowly too. You're not going to jam it down. If you do feel like you can't push more, just pull back a little bit on it and then push back down and you should be fine. Another thing that you might notice is that this has a closed there, and then when you're ready to decant, you're going to put it to open. Okay, so now we're ready to pour our coffee. And what you'll see is a lovely brew, no grounds. And then you just make your coffee as you desire it, and you're all set. And that's how you use a French press. This one is by Mira, and you can find it on Amazon.com.